So you've just arrived in Kremenchuk. I wonder what you can get for your money in Kremenchuk. Well, the value is not as good as Krospinetsky, but it doesn't mean someone from the West, the value is also still exceptional. I've just checked into this apartment, so I may as well show you around. Today I needed an apartment with a washing machine, so in the background you can hear a washing machine going off. Crucially important when you're traveling. I have a fraction of clothes most people would take on holiday, a small bag and a laptop bag. That's all I need. So once a week I need to find a washing machine.
Jerry, I have to tell you something. This is the dullest moment I've ever experienced.
As you can see, entrance. There's the mirror. Hey guys, how's it going? They always give us complimentary slippers. I'm not wearing them right now, but they always give us complimentary slippers because in Ukraine the custom is, and it should be this everywhere. I certainly lead with this in London. Always take your shoes off because you don't know what's on the bottom of your feet.
Please, take off shoes. What, are you kidding me? Take off your pants.
And here is the bedroom. Fairly basic studio apartment, but it's really tastefully done. Really tastefully done. And if you wanted to have a dinner in the apartment, you could do. I've got this open because I've already raided the cupboard because I needed to use washing up powder, and guess what, they had it. Washing up powder, nice cooker, nice microwave kettle, making those English cups of tea, sink, plenty of space, and ground floor security as well. Nice little view outside. Not much going on outside, but it's a quiet street. Very quiet street. Oh, we've got another dressing table for the lady that likes to put on her makeup, reminding her of Paris. There you go. Certainly more tastefully done than the last apartment. And let's hope that this works. And for once, there's a remote control here. It does. So everything works in this apartment. I'll be honest, I never watch television. Television rots your brain anyway. Keep it on YouTube. And let's have a look at the bathroom. Well, it's the shower room. Washing machine, cleaning those important clothes. Nice shower. Looks like it's got its own boiler here. That's very common in Ukraine to have their own boilers. Most of the time they don't even need to be used. What normally happens is the building has an internal hot water system that basically gets pumped up from the main streets. But when that fails, you can use this. Most of the time you don't need to use this. There's always hot water in certain parts of Ukraine until they punish the population and turn it off. Nice shower, nice sink, thankfully place to hang my clothes for when I need to, and that's basically it. How much was that? It was £17 this time, 650 hryvnia, so more expensive than the last one, considerably more expensive, but to be honest, there wasn't much available, and I did leave my booking until effectively 11 AM today, and I checked in around about 3 PM. Hey, how's it going? So you've just joined me in my second apartment in Kremenchuk. The reason I've had a second apartment, and this is only my second night in Kremenchuk, my last one wasn't available for my second night, but you know what? I think I've struck jackpot because same price, 650 hryvnias. I think he was just being nice to me. And this is it. It's a split apartment. Beautiful sofa, balcony, these doors open. Really clever actually. It's a French balcony and yet the doors will open. Actually the doors open on this side. Here we go. Doors open here. Kind of nice. Beautiful kitchen. Tastefully done actually. Modern freezer. Modern fridge. Freezer. Microwave. Dining table should you wish to be entertaining. Television, but remember television rots your brains and you watch YouTube. And also find me on Odyssey, Library, those sort of channels. Look at this bathroom. People with sense, the bidet, super important. It's amazing why so few places in the world have bidets.
Some nitwits put 2 dunnies in it.
1 dunny, 1 bidet.
Bidet.
Marvellous French invention. The Arabs endorse it. Chinese and Japanese and Koreans usually have it in their toilets, you know, with their automated seats, but for some reason, some countries rely on this, and look, for once, good toilet paper as well. Proper boiler, so I'm going to have lots of hot water. Lovely shower. How's it going? Washing machine, I've done my washing now, so no need for that. let's go have a look downstairs. It's a split level. Then what is this? £17 a night. £17. Check this out. Very calm, relaxing bedroom. Another television. Beautiful bedroom. £17. You can't get a hostel in London for £17. I'm probably ruining this because loads of people are now going to come here and the prices are going to go up. But what a wonderful place. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my days in Kremenchuk. Thank you for joining me. If you like this content, click the subscribe button. If you disliked it, double tap that dislike button or click the like button. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Pleasure to see you.